guys, welcome back to my channel. And my name is Rinku, and I'm gonna teach you guys different technique for beginner and advanced level of art. So today we'll learn how to make the shapes, how to make a perfect shape, and how to color inside this shape. Okay, so over here I am gonna show you guys how to make 6 different shapes. So let's get started with our first step. So for the first shape, we will do a square. So I took my color pencil and then I'm doing a square over here. You can do anywhere, you can take an entire paper, that's absolutely okay. See, so I have made a little square. There we go, good job. Now what I'm doing here, I'm gonna make 2 lines inside. 1, this is 2, and then you can fill any color inside this. You can use your color pencil and see, I'm just coloring inside this part. You can use different colors. So this one I have used the orange. Now I want to change the color to blue. So you can change the color and fill them in inside. There we go. Good job. You guys doing super good. Very nice. Now one more layer left. So you can practice this square thing 10 times. Okay, 10 times. With any color, any favorite color, which one you like, any of your favorite color. Good. Now we'll come to the next one. So for the next shape, I'll take here maybe a circle. Let's do a circle. So you make a circle here. I know some people cannot make circle very evenly, but that's okay. You can try to make some even circle. If it's not coming perfect, hey, that's okay. It takes time to come the perfect circle. So if you want me to make another video of how to make a perfect circle, please comment and I will definitely try to make a video which will help you to make a perfect circle. So see, over here also I did 3 layers inside the circle, 2 lines, which is 3 layers, and I have filled inside. Make sure your color does not go outside the circles. Okay, and this one came up over here a little bit because I was a little fast. Make sure you go a little bit slow. But that's okay. If this small thing comes here, that's absolutely okay. So see, I'm filling inside. This one actually does not matter which direction you do. If you want to do left to right or right to left, it does not matter. As long as you're filling inside, filling the gaps, that's absolutely okay. All right, so we have done the first and second one, square and circle. So we have done this part. Now we'll do the third shape. So third shape, I will do over here a triangle. Let's do a triangle. So for the triangle, you make a little dot at the top, and from that dot, you bring one line to the left side and another line to the right side, and we'll just connect here. There we go. And we'll do the same thing. 1, 2. Make sure you do inside every shape you add the 2 layers, not 1 layer. Okay, so 2 lines, 3 layer. So 2 lines, 3 layer, and you can just do the same thing. This one I'm going left to right here. I'm filling over here. Make sure the color does not go outside. You can take your time. I'm not speeding up any videos, so you can just do it with me, or if you think I'm going a little too fast, you can just pause the video and do one shape, finish the first shape, and then guys, don't forget to like the channel, share the video, and subscribe the channel. So I have completed the triangle as well. Okay, now we will do our fourth shape. So for the fourth shape, I would like to choose a rectangle shape. So for the rectangle, you have to make one big line to the right, two smaller line. Compared to this square, four of the lines are same, but rectangle, you have to make one big line, two smaller line from the side, and the same line, parallel line at the bottom. Now you will do the same thing. You go left to right here, make two lines for 3 layers. Now I'm filling inside this one. Now take your another favorite color and you can just fill it inside. Make sure the color does not go outside. We have to stay inside. And there is my third and final color. There we go. Great job. You guys are doing super good. So now I have one more shape and I'll give you one bonus one. All right, so now I'm going to use the same pencil. Now I'll make an oval shape here. Okay, so oval shape is kind of like a circle, but both sides are a little bit more smaller. It's not even. Okay, now you can do this way, 2 line, or this way. That does not matter. I'm doing this way. You can choose any direction where you want to do it. So I'm filling the center part here, and yes, it does not matter from where you start. You can start here, 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 or any order you can go. That's absolutely okay. So this is done. I'm gonna take my second color. See, when I'm going to the edge, I'm going slow. Middle part, if I do it a little bit faster, that's okay. But when you go to the edge, you have to go a little bit slower. I'll use the same color over here. See, this time I'm moving my hand a little faster, and over here I'll go a little bit slower, more careful, so the color does not go outside. Alrighty, there we go. We're done with our 5 shapes. So these are the shapes we usually use most of the time when we do our art. So I'll give you one more bonus shape, which also we use for so many things. So this one we'll do a diamond. So for the diamond, okay, a lot of people ask me, like, how to make a perfect diamond. So let me show you. You can do a triangle here, okay, and then you can make another triangle at bottom. Now I did it with the color pencil, so you cannot erase this line, but you can, in the regular time, you can just erase it with your eraser. Okay, so this one I want you to add 4 color. So let's do it this way. So I'm adding 1 color here, the same color. One more color. I'm using the same color over here, and then I'll use 2 different color. all around over here. There we go. You're almost here. Great job. Do practice this in one paper, or you can practice each of them for 10 times, or you can do 5 times as well. So how you're comfortable with, you can do that. But this is, if you do the practicing, your shape will get way more better. I have some question for you guys. So the question is, for any of those things, which area I said to go slow and which area I should be a little careful, and then answer me in the comment. And also let me know if you have any question regarding this video. You can just comment me. I read each and every comment, so I'll definitely get back to you soon. Also kids, if you are interested in my personal lesson, please visit my website link, and I put it in the description.